Hello, in front of me I've got CAT S53. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to security. Enter screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with none. Now let's select the second non-security password, which is swipe. And now let's select PIN. Enter at least 4 digits. Next, let's select password, and to create it, enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern you have to connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to biometrics, and the first biometric is fingerprint. Enter it, tap next, and now scan your fingerprint on the touch sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face unlock, tap next, agree, start, and now scan your face in this area. And now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.